If you feel tired, shaky, or hungry again just 2 hours after breakfast, your morning meal may be causing a blood sugar crash. And if this keeps happening every day, this is likely one of the reasons your energy stays low and your A1C keeps creeping up. Most people over 50 think they're eating a healthy breakfast, but many common breakfast foods spike glucose fast, then cause a hard crash afterward. That crash can lead to cravings, snacking, brain fog, and higher blood sugar throughout the rest of the day. And the frustrating part is, this often happens with foods people were told are healthy. First, flavored oatmeal. This surprises a lot of people because oatmeal has a healthy reputation. But many instant or flavored oatmeals are highly processed and packed with added sugars. That combination digests quickly and can raise blood sugar fast. Then, about 2 hours later, many people feel tired, hungry, or shaky again. What to do instead is switch to steel-cut or old-fashioned oats and add protein or fat like walnuts, chia seeds, or Greek yogurt. That slows digestion and creates steadier energy. Second, fruit smoothies. A lot of people start their morning with a smoothie thinking it's one of the healthiest things they can drink. But blending fruit breaks down fiber and allows sugar to absorb much faster. And many smoothies contain multiple servings of fruit plus juice or sweeteners. That turns what looks healthy into a very large glucose load first thing in the morning. A better option is using fewer fruits and adding protein, chia seeds, or nut butter to slow the spike. Or even better, eat whole fruit instead of drinking it. This is one of the biggest reasons people struggle with blood sugar after 50. Third, breakfast cereal. Even cereals labeled whole grain or heart healthy can still spike blood sugar quickly. Most cereals are heavily processed, low in protein, and easy to overeat. And because they digest so quickly, they often leave people hungry again before lunch. This is where many people unknowingly start the cycle of cravings and snacking early in the day. A better option is eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein-focused breakfast with fiber. And if you do eat cereal, pairing it with protein can help reduce the glucose spike. At this point, you can start to see the pattern. Many breakfast foods are not keeping people full because they digest too fast. Fourth, fruit juice. This one catches many people off guard. Orange juice, apple juice, and even natural juices can spike blood sugar very quickly because the fiber has been removed. So instead of slowly digesting like whole fruit, the sugar hits the bloodstream rapidly. That fast rise is often followed by an energy crash later in the morning. And many people drink juice alongside toast or cereal, which makes the spike even larger. A better choice is whole fruit because the fiber slows sugar absorption. Or pair fruit with protein like eggs or yogurt. These are the exact kinds of foods people eat every day thinking they're making the right choice. Fifth, toast by itself. This is one of the most common breakfast mistakes, raising A1C over time. Toast alone, especially white bread or highly processed bread, is mostly fast-digesting carbohydrates. Without protein or healthy fat, blood sugar rises quickly and then drops quickly afterward. That drop is what causes many people to feel hungry, irritable, or tired before lunch. The fix is simple. Add protein and fat. Eggs, avocado, cottage cheese, or peanut butter can help slow the spike and create steadier energy. And this is where most people think they're doing everything right. Because the issue usually is not breakfast itself. It's the type of breakfast. Sixth, granola. Granola is marketed as healthy, natural, and high in fiber. But many store-bought granolas contain large amounts of sugar, syrups, dried fruit, and processed oats. And because portions are usually small, people often eat far more than they realize. That combination can quietly keep blood sugar elevated all morning. A better alternative is nuts, seeds, or lower sugar yogurt toppings with more protein and less added sugar. 7th, low-fat flavored yogurt. This is another food people assume is helping them. But many low-fat yogurts remove fat and replace it with sugar to improve flavor. That creates a breakfast that looks healthy, but acts more like dessert. The lack of fat also means digestion happens faster. A better option is plain Greek yogurt because it has more protein and less sugar. Then you can add berries or nuts yourself. And here's the real pattern most people miss. The issue isn't just these individual foods. It's how quickly they turn into sugar in your body and how little protein, fat, or fiber is there to slow things down. That's the realization many people have too late. They think they're eating healthy because the packaging says healthy. But their blood sugar tells a different story. And over time, those daily spikes and crashes can slowly push blood sugar higher, increase cravings, raise A1C, and make energy problems feel normal. This is what keeps blood sugar elevated even when you feel like you're eating healthy. The key takeaway is this: after 50, it's not just about eating healthy, it's about how those foods affect your blood sugar. Small breakfast choices repeated every morning can either help stabilize your glucose or quietly keep the spike and crash cycle going all day. If you want a simple 7-day plan to stabilize your blood sugar, download the free guide linked in the description. You don't miss our next video.